In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide the mouse pointer while typing on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Select that. Select the view by in the top right and select large icons. And then go down and select Mouse. Select the Pointer Options tab. And where it says hide pointer while typing, just go ahead and make sure that's checkmarked in there, and then select apply and OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.